Yes, welcome to the chemistry class today. In our previous class, we discussed the chemical symbols, the symbols that we use in chemistry to represent elements. And I told you the idea came from a man called Basilus. Basilus gave us an idea, and then the scientists use it now, chemists use it now to kind of make it easier in writing symbols, in writing things in chemistry fast. So it's just like our shorthand. Shorthand. We use this to write things fast in chemistry. And in the last class, I explained this, I made it clear on how these symbols are gotten. Some are gotten from the first letter of the element. Some are gotten from two letters from the element, two letters from the element, while some are from the Latin names, like the natrium, the sodium, the cadmium from the potassium, the cuprum from the copper, the aurum from the gold. So today we look at today's topic, IUPAC nomenclature. IUPAC nomenclature. IUPAC means is an acronym which means International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. So nomenclature simply means system of naming, the way things are named in chemistry. So let us look at it carefully. Somebody asked me, how can he learn how to name this? Is it by memorizing it? No. Everything has its own system of naming. This is the way we name things in chemistry. Like in chemistry, one, when you see one in chemistry, we call it mono. Mono. Two in chemistry is di. Di. Three in chemistry is tri. Tri. Four in chemistry is tetra. Tetra. Five in chemistry is penta. Penta. Six in chemistry is hexa. Hexa. Seven in chemistry is hepta. 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 Eight in chemistry is octa. Octa. While nine is nona. Nona. 10 is deca. Deca. This is the way we use these in naming things in chemistry. Mono, di, tri, tetra, penta, hexa, hepta, octa, nona, deca. When you know this, you'll be able to follow me now effectively and efficiently in naming chemical compounds, chemical molecules. You can understand it now and then be clever and bold any place you go to name it, even when you see it in the container where it contains chemical, you'll be able to call that particular chemical fluently without any mistake. Okay, so now listen again. This is the first page. This is the first step now. Step two is this. When you see this in chemistry, OH, we are talking of how to name things now. OH in chemistry means hydroxide. We name coming back like this. Hydroxide. Hydroxide. Hydroxide meaning it contains elements hydrogen and oxygen. Hydroxide. Hydroxide. Okay. When you see this, In chemistry, SO4. See how I'm going to name it now. See, we start with this, we come back. We start from the 4, we come back. And OS means oxosulfate. So this SO means oxosulfate. Oxosulfate. But when you say oxosulfate, the chemist will like to know what is attached to that oxo, because many things can be attached to it. It can be 2, it can be 3, it can be 4. If it is 4 that is attached to it, then you go back to the 4. This is the 4. Then you name it backwards. So it's going to be tetra oxosulfate. Tetra oxosulfate. So that's how to name it. You have known, if I write SO2, now if I write SO3, we know it is oxosulfate, but the chemist will like to know what is attached to it. So this is, you go back to 3, and 3 is tri. So this is called trioxosulfate. Trioxosulfate. When you write this in chemistry, the person knows that what is attached to O there is 3, and there is O because of this oxo. Oxo means oxygen. Then sulfate. Sulfate is from sulfur. The sulfur. That is it. So now, another one again is NO. Let us go back to the oxo again. This is oxo. This is nine. This is nitrogen. But in chemistry, because it is like this, is now called oxo nitrate. So now, if you say oxo nitrate, people will be confused. You tell us what's attached to it. Like now, if I touch here now, 3 now. This is called what now? This is called now trioxonitrate. So we have done the first step now, and second step now. The first step is knowing the numbers in chemistry. Numbers are mono, di, tri, tetra, penta, hexa, hepta, octa, nona, deca. You must know it. You must know all this before you will enjoy chemistry. If you don't know this, whenever we are teaching chemistry, it appears as if you are having headache. Now, you must know this very one here, because we are going to bigger one now. These are the simple ones now that I've started with now. The simple ones here is O. O means oxo. That is oxygen. Oxo. Now, this one now, CO. This is carbon. You see, this one is called sulfate. This one is called nitrate. This one called what now? Carbonate. So this is oxocarbonate now. So if I put 3 here now, 3, this is called trioxocarbonate. Okay, so we have finished the first step. We have finished the second step. We are going to test the third step in our next class, so that you'll be able to name bigger, complex compounds following the nomenclature system, the order, the way it's supposed to be. Enjoy the chemistry now. Thank you very much. Next class we meet again. Thanks.